Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to take apart an iPod Touch. So for this you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a magnet. The screwdrivers will both be 2.0 millimeters, so you can get the fine screws in the iPod. For the first step of this, you will need to pry off the screen of the iPod. So to do this, you will use your flathead screwdriver and pry it into the side of it and lift up, and you should be able to take that right off with no problem. Just like that. And you can just put the top screen to the side. Okay, so the next step you'll need to do is to pry off this little black piece right there. Right underneath it is a red outlining underneath it. You'll need to pry underneath that to get off the screen. And once you do that, you should be able to take the screen right off and just put that also to the side. And now you're just left with a bunch of screws. Now that you've taken off the screen, you will be left with 8 metal screws around the silver metal plate. So now you should start unscrewing these screws very carefully because they're very small, and use your magnet to collect these screws so you do not lose any. So after removing the 8 screws around the silver plate, you should be able to pry it off with your flathead screwdriver, just like this. And be careful because the battery might be attached to the back. It is right here. You can just take that right off. Just a little bit of glue, and now your metal plate will be off. So there's 6 screws left here. You should unscrew them, and after that, you should be able to remove the circuit board off of the back casing of the iPod. So after unscrewing all the extra screws that were left over, you can pry off the circuit board with your flathead screwdriver. There may be some glue on the back, but that should be fine. And after you do this, you will be able to get the circuit board off of the back casing of the iPod. Thank you for joining me with this wonderful video that I've brought to you. Hope you found this video on taking apart your iPod very helpful, and thank you for watching.